Morning students, today is day 10. The next concept is Venn diagrams with operation of sets. Venn diagrams. First of all, if A is a subset of B, how can we represent A is a subset of B through Venn diagrams? So this is a universal set. Now A is a subset of B means A is contained in B. All the elements of A are in B. All the elements of A are in B. So in this way we can represent A is a subset of B. Disjoint sets. Disjoint sets are the sets having no common element. So in Venn diagram we represent this is universal set. Now this is set A, this is set B. So there is nothing common between these two elements. So these are called disjoint sets. The next is union of sets. Very important topic. This is represented by U, union of sets. Union means unity. Union of set A and B is a set of all those elements which belongs either to A, या तो वो A को belong कर रहे हैं या B को belong कर रहे हैं, और to both A and B या A और B दोनों को belong कर रहे हैं. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 3, 4, 5, 6. So A union means the elements of both A and B, but the repetition of elements is not allowed. So A union B means all the elements of A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the union of sets is if A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union means all the elements of A and B. So A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember one thing, the repetition of elements is not allowed. So how we represent A union B? So A union B means all the elements of A and B. The next is intersection of sets. Intersection of sets is denoted by inverted U. So all the elements that belongs to both A and B, वो element जो A में भी है और B में भी है, common elements. So if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, the sign of intersection is this, A intersection B. So the common elements are 3, 4, 3, 4. So the answer is 3, 4. Through Venn diagram we can represent A intersection B, this part. This is the common part between A and B. Next concept is difference of sets A minus B. What this means A minus B? It means the elements of A which are not present in B. Elements of A which are not present in B. For example, if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. So A minus B is, A minus B means the elements of A which are not present in B. So which are the elements? 1 and 2. So A minus B means 1 and 2. So how can we represent this through Venn diagram? A minus B means this is the shaded region. Now the second one, B minus A. B minus A means the elements of B which are not present in A. So Venn diagram. For example, if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. So B minus A means the elements of B which are not present in A. So B minus A equals to 5 and 6. Now the symmetric difference of a set. Symmetric difference of set means A minus B union B minus A. So through Venn diagram we can represent this is a universal set. So what is A minus B? This is A minus B. What is B minus A? So this is a formula to find the symmetric difference of a set A minus B union B minus A. So through Venn diagram we can represent in this form. The next concept is complement of a set. Complement of a set means if we have to find a complement, this is a sign of complement, or we can say this is complement. Now a complement means U minus A. All the elements which are not present in the elements of U which are not present in A. For example, universal set equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is a question. If we have to find A complement, the formula is U minus A. The elements of U which are not present in A. So which are the elements? 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the complement of set. So through Venn diagram we can represent this is set A, this is U. So this shaded region represents the complement A. I repeat, A complement means U minus A, universal minus set A. If there is a B complement, then U minus B. If there is a C complement, U minus C. All the elements of U which are not present in A. Now we take an example for the clarification of concepts. Now this is a question. Universal set, the elements of universal set, the elements of set A, the elements of set B, the elements of set C, the elements of set D. Now the first question, A minus B. What is A minus B? The elements of A not present in B. The elements of A not present in B. So which are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C minus A. The elements of C which are not present in A. So 2 present, 4 present, 6 or 8. 6 or 8. So the elements of C which are not present in A. The elements are 6 and 8. Now A union B. A union B means the elements of A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next one, A union B intersection C. What is A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Intersection C. What is C? 2, 4, 6, 8. So intersection means common elements. So the common elements in these two are 2, 4, 6, 8. Now B complement. What is B complement? Universal minus B. So the elements of U which are not present in B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. C complement means U minus C. Universal set minus C. So the elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The next, A intersection C. Complement. Now what is intersection? Common elements. What are the common elements between A and C? 2, 4. 2, 4. A intersection C means the common elements between A and C, then complement. Now the complement of 2 and 4. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.